Power BI to turn a raw data set into an interactive report that explains sales performance and support decision making. My workflow uh, followed three steps. First one is prepare and clean the data. Second one is build a strong data model uh, and measures. And third one is design report page that communicate insight clarity for a report presentation. Uh, I first imported all tables and reviewed what each table represents. What each table represents, like order items, customer, product, stores. I check the grain of the dataset and confirm that the most detailed label is the order item label. That is the order item label. Okay. As row represent a product line and with an order. This step is important because every relationships and measures depends on understanding what one row means. Number step two, the data cleaning in Power Query. In Power Query, I validated and corrected data types across all tables. Dates were set to data type, purchase date, delivered date, and numeric columns such as quantity, unit price, discount, tax amount, and total price were set to whole number or decimal number based on the column. ID fields, customer ID, product ID, store ID, order ID were kept as text for consistency. Next, I ensure the dimension table and unique case. This is essential for many to one relationships. Where where needed, I remove duplicate IDs and remove blank rows so the dimension table could correctly filters and the fact table without errors. Step 3. Build the fact cells. To avoid confusing relationships to simplify analysis, I created one clean fact tables called fact cells. By merging the order item table with the order table using order ID, this produces a single table that contains transaction value, quantity, unit price, discount, tax, total price, and business attributes like customer ID, product ID, store ID, purchase date, delivery date, channel, payment method, status, currency. I also confirmed I also confirmed there was no duplicate total price column after merge and recheck the data types in fact cells. In step 4, the data model. Uh, in data model view, I built a star schema that connecting fact cells to the dimension table, like fact cells to customer. That is connected to a customer ID. The fact cells to products. That's connected to product ID. Fact cells to store. That's connected to store ID. As relationship sets as many to one fact to dimension with single cross filter direction. I remove any extra or incorrect relationships that could create ambiguity. This structure ensures slicer work properly and calculations remain accurate and fast. In step 5, I created measures to power all visual consistency, such as total revenue, total order, total unit, AOV, discount, total tax, and unique customer measures are crucial because they recalculate dynamically when filters change, like date, country, channel, status, which makes the report interactivity and reliable. And the last step, report page and visual. In page 1, executive summary, the KPI card shows metrics briefly. Here the total unit, total revenue, total orders, AOB unique. That is also interactive with city changes. You can see a line chart displays the revenue trend by month. A bar chart compares revenue by purchase channel. A slicer supports quick filtering, for example, by city. In page number 2, product analysis. A bar chart ranks revenue by collection or series. A record scatter plot compares unit versus revenue to identify best sellers and high value products. A table summarizes product performance like revenue unit, AOV, discount percentage. In page number 3, customer analysis. Revenue by age or age group highlights customer segment. Here, a required scatter plot compares unit. Yes, a top 10 customer bar chart shows K contributors. A country city chart shows what demand is strongest, support by slicer like date channel status. Date channel. In page number 4, stores and heat map. A bar chart shows revenue by store. A record heat map, like matrix with conditional formatting, uh, shows revenue pattern by country versus channel, or a map can be used. A map have used here to visualize geographical distribution. We'll see here. Before finishing, I tested interactivity, cross filtering, and slicer. Validate total across page and ensure visual align with the assignment requirement. Thank you.